we're here today with Carissa. We're doing some live Coolsculpting. Our good volunteer, actually our dad, volunteered to us to let us video him. We're doing some Coolsculpting on the chin. Carissa's going to show you a few things on the machine, and then we are going to zoom in on him, and he's about halfway through, so he's looking pretty relaxed. So, alright, so Carissa, you want to show them or tell them a little bit about the applicator and the card, and you want to show them the template there that we use for?
This is the template. This is the area that actually will be pulled into the applicator. So you can do different sections on your chin. You can do like one here, here, you know, we can do several cycles. That way we make sure you're getting the full coverage that you'd like.
Yeah, and we can contour it based on what their person's needs are.
Like.
And then we can do more than one session depending on what the person prefers.
Yes.
So, and there is a little bit of difference on the machine. The screen's not real clear here, but there's a little bit of changes we do for the chin. The vacuum's a little bit less, and it's a little bit some changes that we do for the chin compared to other parts of the body. So we'll swing on over here to Dad, who's looking pretty as a peach. Turn a little light. Oh, you can see him a little bit better. So he is strapped in there because when we do the Coolsculpting on the chin, we don't want the person to move at all. So it's really important, much more so even than the other ones, that they hold really still. So that's why he's strapped in there so tightly. And he's just trying to stay awake for the whole thing. And it's a 45-minute cycle when we're on the chin. And we'll come back when we're getting ready to take the applicator off so you can see how that works. Alright, so we have almost finished our 45-minute cycle for the Coolsculpting on the mini underneath the chin, and Carissa is about ready to take off the applicator. And then, as with always for Coolsculpting, there is a 2-minute massage after she finishes. So with Coolsculpting, just as a reminder, we do massage the area after we take the applicator off. And it probably, silly enough, is probably the most uncomfortable part of the procedure because it's cold, and if you ever tried to wring your hands after they were frozen, after they came in from the outside, they feel sort of pinchy as she's massaging it, but it's not terrible. So she's going to take that off. Just a reminder is for the chin, it is a 45-minute cycle, and then a 2-minute massage. And they have shown that there's at least a 60 to 70% improvement that comes just from doing the massage afterwards, because by massaging you break up those fat cells so that they do a better job at killing them and lysing them. So he's done a really great job. The only negative thing about Coolsculpting under the chin is you have to hold pretty still. You can't talk, you can't really do anything other than just hold pretty still. So he's done a great job, and we got 10 seconds left, and she's gonna get this off of here, and we'll let him wiggle his head around, and then she'll massage him. We do try to do the massage pretty promptly after we take the device off, or the handpiece off. So, and she's using her finger to break the suction there. You can see it looks a little bit red, and it's sort of sticking out a little bit, and that's good. That means it's done a great job actually at freezing the fat.
Okay, now I can start. Okay, so it is going to feel sore. I'm sorry in advance. Oh, it feels so different, Beth. Hey, will you restart this timer?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? You okay, Dad? Wow, that is so cool. It feels so different underneath it.
So Chris is saying that massaging underneath the chin feels a lot different than when you massage the belly or other areas, likely because the tissue there is a lot softer. He's wiggling his feet now because it does not feel good for the massage. It's breaking up very quickly. As you can see, when we first took it off, it was quite a nice little lump there, and as she's massaging, it's pretty quickly breaking down and smoothing out. So
Call for an appointment today and learn more by going to our website at wvderm.com.